Hi, welcome to Tigron's channel. Today we are going to look on how to remove duplicates from my data. So this is how we are going to go about it. If you check on the list having here, having company name, turnover, country, sector, continent, and we don't know. So I'm going to show you 4 different ways on how to remove duplicates. That is by removing duplicates function in the Excel, using a unique function, advanced filter, or Power Query, and we are going to see which ones are dynamic and which ones are more accurate. So we just have to Control A, then you come to the data tab, then you look on this section, remove duplicates with an X. You press on it, then just okay. If you check on this, it has removed 15 and we are now having 25 unique duplicates. If you check on the count here, the count down here shows you we have 26. So if you check onto this, we are having how many? 26, because the header counts to be 2. And that's how you use that. The next one, we move now to using a unique function. So we'll just copy this heading and bring it here. So come to the cell below and type unique. And then the unique guide with the array will be, you can use Control Shift down, then you just close. So before that, you just need sort, just add the word sort and close the formula for the sort and enter. You see, by this still, we are still having 26 items here. And there's a funny thing with this, you can Control T to turn your data into a table, then okay. Now you see here, you're just having the usual data. So I want to see if I add something new will come here. So I can say Apex, APC, and just $35,000. This is for Ghana, it's for technology, and it's for Turbo. You see, there's a new entry here, and already it's here. This confirms that unique function is a dynamic function. So you can also look onto the next one, which is advanced. So for this one, I need it here. So I'll just click where I need it. Then I'll come to data tab. Then you check on this function, click on advanced. So I only need and copy it to another location. So my new location will be here, and I want unique function. So the list of range here, you can see it has sensed the data. It will pick automatically, but it's good to confirm. Then you just say okay. So this is another way to move. You can see I'm having a lesser values here. I'm only having the unique functions, which if you confirm the count still, it's count 26 down here. So that is okay. And that's all. So the last one, you're going to use Power Query. So for Power Query, first Control T and okay, turn your data into data format. Then when you come to data, first you have to click on the table, then come to data, and from table range, just say yes. So already the first column is highlighted, you can see. So just use Shift and the right arrow, select. Then on that, on the last column, right click. Then just say remove duplicates. So this looks good. We're having 26, but you can check onto this. You can say sort in ascending order. You can realize for this one, this has been repeated. because there is a value here, and it's only Power Query that is case sensitive to duplicate. The others just removed all the duplicates regardless of whether it is case sensitive or not. So this is how these are the 4 different ways you can remove duplicates in Excel. If you like our video, like and follow us for more Excel tutorials.